Good morning, grade 4. Today we will have revision based on unit 7. As we said before, in this quarter in science we have unit 7 and unit 8. Today we will revise unit 7. The first question is matching. Here we have 8 words and 8 sentences. You need to match each word with the suitable sentence. Let's read the first sentence together. Number 1. Anything that takes up space and has mass. As we said before, that anything around us is called matter, but with some conditions. It must have mass and take up space. So the first one means matter. The first sentence will go to letter F. The next one, the amount of matter in an object. How much matter inside an object means its mass. And as we said, we can measure mass using a balance, and the unit is kilogram or gram. The next one, number 3, the amount of space in an object, or the amount of space an object takes up. This means its volume, which is letter H. Number 4, the amount matter present in a certain volume of a substance. Here is a relation between mass and volume. This relation means the object's density, which is letter B. Number 5, the idea that you cannot make or destroy matter. This was a law which we called law of conservation of mass, which is letter D. 6, solid, liquids and gases. All of them together make the 3 states of matter, which is letter G. 7, the process by which a liquid changes into a gas. As we studied in the water cycle, liquid water gets a lot of heat from the sun, so it changes to be water vapor or a gas in a process which is called evaporation. You can watch this also at home when your mom is boiling some water to make any hot drink, or even when she is cooking. The next one, number 8, and the last sentence in this question, the process by which a gas changes into a liquid. Here is an opposite process. The gas, like the water vapor, will change back to be a liquid or liquid water. This happens in a process which is called condensation. It's the process which forms clouds up in the sky. The next question, we have here short answers. Number 9, list 3 physical properties of matter. Let's remember together what are the physical properties. A physical property is the property which could be measured or observed, like mass, volume, density, length, size, shape, color, and we have many other physical properties for matter. The question here asks about only 3, but we have a lot more than 3. The next question, what is meant by evaporation? What does it mean, the evaporation process? It's a process by which a liquid will change to be a gas by adding a lot of heat. This liquid gets a lot of heat, so it changes to be gas, or the temperature of the liquid increases and don't forget that evaporation is a physical change. So what is meant by evaporation? Let's write everything about evaporation. It's a physical change a process by which a liquid changes to be a gas. How? By adding heat, or we can say increasing its temperature. Of course, you are not asked in the exam to write all of these. You can write only the definition, but this for you when you are studying. Evaporation, it's a physical change. The same substance stays as it is. And how does it happen? By adding heat or increasing the temperature of matter or the substance. And during this process, a liquid changes to be a gas. Let's move to the next question. Describe the particles that make up solids. Let's remember together what are solids. A solid is just one state of matter and it has definite shape and definite volume. Why? Because its particles are so close to each other and they don't move, they are still in their place, they just vibrate in their place. So how do the particles here inside any solid move, or how can we describe them? We can describe them by saying that they are so close to each other, they have vibrations, they don't move from their places. So the particles inside solids are close to each other they move in their places, or we can say vibrate. The next question, mention one thing that is formed by the condensation process. Condensation is a process which changes a gas into a liquid, water vapor into liquid water, and this is one step in the water cycle which is called condensation, forming clouds. So what is the thing that is formed by the condensation process? We can say clouds are formed by condensation. You have to know also that condensation is a physical change like evaporation, because the same matter or the same substance is still, no new matter or no new substance is formed. That's all for today, grade 4. See you next time. Bye.